from trigonometric ratios. So today we are going to discuss some more problems. The question is that if 3 sin A plus 5 cos A is equal to 5, then show that 5 sin A minus 3 cos A is equal to plus or minus 3. So we need to show that 5 sin A minus 3 cos A is equal to plus or minus 3. So this type of questions, how can we solve this? I will look here. First, the given equation is 3 sin A plus 5 cos A, which is equal to 5. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So what you will get? We get that 9 sin square A plus 25 cos square A plus 2 into 3 into 5 sin A cos A, which is equal to Let us see the one more problem. If tan square theta is equal to 1 minus e square, show that secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosec theta, which is equal to 2 minus e square whole to the power of 3 by 2, or 2 minus e square whole cube under root of 2 minus e square whole to the power of 3. So the given question in the given is given tan square theta which is equal to 1 minus e square is given. So we have an identity, that is secant square theta which is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but 1 minus e square. So that is equal to 2 minus e square. So then secant theta is equal to, so 2 minus e square whole to the power of 1 by 2. So let us take this is as the first equation 1, secant theta. So what is asking to find out? Secant theta plus tan cube theta into cosec theta. So this value we need to find out it. So for this, what I am doing here, secant theta as this plus tan cube theta, we should write it as tan square theta into tan theta into cosec theta, right? So now secant theta plus tan square theta is nothing but the given equation 1 minus e square. So into, so tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta into cosec theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So here sin theta will be cancelled. Then what is left over? 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta. So secant theta plus 1 minus e square into secant theta. Since 1 by cos theta which is equal to secant theta. Now take secant theta as a common. Secant theta is a common. So here 1 is left over. Then 1 plus 1 minus e square. So we know that the value of secant theta 2 minus e square whole to the power of 1 by 2. And here 1 plus 1 2 minus e square to the power of 1. So both bases are same. So x to the power of n into x to the power of m is equal to x to the power of n plus m. So we have an exponents identity, addition of exponents identity. The bases are same, power should be added. The same formula we should apply here. 2 minus e square, 2 minus e square. Both bases are same, power should be added. So 2 minus e square whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1. So you will get, how much you will get? So 2 minus e square whole to the power of 2 plus 1 into 1, 3. So 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, which we can written as, this implies 2 minus e square whole cube to the power of 1 by 2. So that we can represent as a 2 minus e square whole cube under root. Why? Because 1 by 2 is nothing but under root. Okay. Here we can see the one more problem. Prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, or the same answer secant theta plus tan theta. How can we solve this problem? So here we can observe that we have an identity. What is that identity? Secant theta minus tan theta. So we have identity secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to 1, and this we can written as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. How? A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So by observe that here we have a tan theta plus secant theta. It is also tan theta and secant theta. So plus either A plus B is equal to B plus A, commutative property. So apply this. In place of 1, if you write this one, so which is equal to 1. So in place of 1, if you write like this, so what you will get? So tan theta plus secant theta minus of this one, tan theta plus secant theta. Then so this you should not change. Why? Because here minus is there. So if you change minus, then it will become plus. So don't change this. You should write like this only, secant theta minus tan theta. So divided by here tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay. So now here tan theta plus secant theta we can take as a common. So tan theta plus secant theta take as a common. Then what is left over? In place of this 1 minus of this one, secant theta minus tan theta. So you put bracket, but because here in front there is a minus is there in front of bracket, so you have to keep bracket compulsory. Now tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Okay. Now just simplify this one. Then tan theta plus secant theta, tan theta plus secant theta. This one multiplying with minus 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. So divided by, so this we should write in this form 1, okay, then minus secant theta, here minus sec theta is there, plus tan theta. So both are same, numerator and denominator are the same. So this is in multiplying here, put the bracket for this. So multiplying this, so both will be cancelled. Then what is left over? Tan theta plus secant theta. Tan theta plus secant theta. So here what we have? Secant theta plus tan theta. Both are same. So secant theta plus tan theta. So now this we have to show that 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. How can we show this sin theta plus tan theta as a 1 plus sin theta by cos theta? So look at here. Secant theta we can written as 1 by cos theta plus tan theta we can written as sin theta by cos theta. So take the LCM as a cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta. So this we require to show that. So hence therefore what is asking to show that? Prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So when the numerator, when we write in place of 1 as secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta, in case if you write the denominator the same in place of 1, if you write in the denominator, so what you will get? Let us watch. So what I am doing here, the same question. Okay, the same question, what I am doing here, in place of denominator 1, in place of 1, I am writing this one in the denominator. So tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta, okay, tan theta minus secant theta. Plus in place of that, so what I am doing here tan theta minus secant theta is there, but here secant theta minus tan theta is there. So if you take that as a minus as a common, so you will get here minus of secant theta minus tan theta into tan theta, you can write like secant theta plus tan theta. So we get it anyway. Now in this we can take this one as a common. Sorry for this. Here secant theta minus tan theta. I have written the same thing. Here we should write as a tan theta minus secant theta. Okay. So now we can take this one as a common. So 1 by tan theta minus secant theta take as a common. So in the numerator what we have, tan theta plus secant theta minus 1. The denominator what is left over? 1 minus of this one, secant theta plus tan theta. So now here just you see that 1 by tan theta minus secant theta. So in the numerator what we have, so take minus as a common, so 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta. Okay, so divided by here 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta. Now these two will be cancelled, so you left over only the minus sign, and in place of this, so minus 1 by in place of this you should write it as a sin theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. Okay, now take the LCM. So when you take the LCM, what you will get? Minus 1 by cos theta. So sin theta minus 1 by cos theta. So if it will goes to up, so you will get what will you get? Cos theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta minus 1. Right? So now take minus as a common, minus cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So this will be cancelled. You will get cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. So this answer is also correct answer for this. So you have three answers, that is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, or secant theta plus tan theta, or cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. So there are three answers for this. So here one more question is there, that is 3 sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power of 4 plus 6 into sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sin to the power of 6 theta plus cos to the power of 6 theta. Value how much? Okay, what is the value of this total? Then we can find the value of this. So in this, what are the formulas involved here? So let us start. What formula is there? A plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a square whole cube plus b square whole cube. So a square whole cube plus b square whole cube, that is a square plus b square into a to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 4 minus a square b square. So these are the formulae which are involved in this problem. First, let us take here 4 is there, power 4 is there. So power 4 it is little bit difficult to find out it. So then we'll simplify that, make it easy. Sin theta minus cos theta whole square. First let us do the whole square, and again we'll do the square. Then you will get 2 to the 4 plus 6 into, it is in the form of a plus b whole square formula. So a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab. here A means sin theta, B means cos theta. So like that you should simplify that. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 times of sin theta cos theta plus 4 into, it is in the form of, so we change, this is 6. So this is A power 6 plus B power 6. It is in the form of like this and then converted to like this. So you will get it as sin square theta plus cos square theta into sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta. We now simplify again. 3 into this is sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 times of sin theta cos theta plus 6. This value is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4. This value is 1. So you will get sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta. Since here we have one more identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. That identity we are using here. Now your square is there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 3 into 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 6 into 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is whole square plus 4 into sin to the power of 4 theta, sin to the power of 4 theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta. Now simplify this. 3 into, again it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So 1 plus 4 sin square theta cos square theta minus 4 sin theta cos theta plus 6. 6 into 1 6 plus 6 to the 12 sin theta cos theta plus here 4 into then multiply it to 4 sin to the power of 4 theta sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square minus 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Now again simplify this. So multiply with 3 into 1 3 plus 3 4s are 12 sin square theta cos square theta minus 4 3 4s are 12 sin theta cos theta plus here what will you get 6 plus 12 sin theta cos theta plus here it is in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. A square plus b square. So a square plus b square means a square plus b square. A square plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So can we write it like this? A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So by using that we can written as this is 4. So this is a square plus b square. A square plus b square means sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus of 2 times of sin square theta cos square theta minus here bracket 4 times of sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, so now this is 3. So 3 plus 12 sin square theta, this is plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. So this is minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta will be cancelled. So your leftover is 6 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 4 into 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Now here 3 plus 6 9. Okay, 9 plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta. So here we simplify this directly. So 12 sin square theta cos square theta minus 4 sin square theta cos square theta will become 8 sin square theta cos square theta, right? Plus 4 into 1 4 minus 4 to the 8 sin square theta cos square theta. So this will be cancelled. 9 plus 4, the value is 30. So therefore 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole to the power of 4 plus 6 into sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 into sin to the power of 6 theta plus cos to the power of 6 theta, which is equal to, the value is 13. Okay, so you can practice more and subscribe my channel for more updates.